Hello friends, welcome to my channel Simple Gardening Tips. In today's video, I'll show you another homemade free fertilizer for plants. Friends, today I am showing how to make potato peels organic fertilizer. Friends, you can see I took potatoes here. So you see I took the potato peel here. Usually we throw away the potato peels in our kitchen. But many of us do not know that we can easily make organic fertilizer for the plant for this potato peel at home. So you see I take an airtight glass bottle here. So you can use a glass or plastic bottle if you want. So this time we will fill these potato peels in this bottle. This time we will fill this bottle with water, but we will not fill it completely. We will leave some part empty. This time I will cover this bottle. Approx you will use 500 ml water with 1 handful of potato peels. So this time we will shake the bottle well for 4 to 5 minutes. This process needs to be repeated every day for better results. This is a very important work in making this fertilizer. This time we will keep this bottle in a shady place for 2 to 3 days. The time is dependent on the weather because it decomposes very quickly in summer but a little bit slow in winter. From this potato peel fertilizer, we get the nutrients from the plant such as potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, nitrogen, calcium and other trace elements. After 2 days, you can see that the fertilizer has been ready to use in the plant. This fertilizer should be shaken well before use for better results. Then I filter the potato peel liquid. And I will use the waste part of potato peel for composting. So friends, you can see that we have separated the water from the potato peel in this bowl. Now we will use it on the plants. So let me tell you, this liquid fertilizer we can use directly on the plant soil. And also we can use it on the plant soil by mixing water. Of course, we will use this liquid fertilizer mixed with water in summer in a ratio of 1:1. For example, 1 liter of liquid fertilizer with 1 liter clean water. The use of this fertilizer will help the flowers and fruits of the plant and the overall growth. I apply the fertilizer to all kinds of plants once every 15 to 20 days. Always apply the fertilizer to your plants early in the morning or after sunset. So friends, I hope you like this video very much, and if you like it, you must click a thumbs up, share and also comment on this video in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Happy gardening.